Welcome everyone, welcome to Schemes in News series by Clarity for Sure courses. So in today's session, we are going to talk about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, transforming the farmers from mere producer to large entrepreneurs. That's the vision behind the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. So before starting the session, I want to discuss the questions I gave you in the previous session. The very first question was, which of the following statement correctly reflects the dual approach under the Smart Cities mission for urban transformation? And your correct option is option number A. Coming to the next question, the question was, which of the following correctly describes the functioning of integrated command and control centers under the Smart Cities mission? And your correct option is option number C. Coming to the third question, in the context of water management under the Smart Cities mission, which of the following is not correct? And the correct option is option number D. And the last question was, which of the following Smart Cities mission initiatives specifically aim to support public transport startups? And again the correct option is option number D, transport for all. That was all for previous session questions. These were the answers. Now before jumping to today's session, I am giving task for today, and the questions for today's task are, which of the following statements about the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is not correct? These are their options. The next question is, under the integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure component of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, which of the following is true? These are their options. Go through the questions and their options very thoroughly and then comment your answers in the comment section. The third question is, Operation Green was initially launched with a budget of rupees 500 crore in November 2018. Now which of the following combinations correctly matches the scope expansion? These are their options. The last question is, the food processing sector's gross value added at 2011-12 prices stood at rupees 2.24 lakh crore in the year 2023-24. Which of the following correctly states its contribution to the economy as per the same period? These are their options. Go through the questions and options very thoroughly and then comment all of your answers in the comment section. Now coming to today's session, when we talk about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, so Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is basically a scheme which is aimed to support and accelerate the financial stability and the food processing sector in India and the financial stability of farmers. Here the farmers, as we all know, the farmers are the backbone of Indian economy, and through Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, the government is trying to double their income and to provide them food processing, a very good food processing sector. Now the government's goal is to focus on doubling the farmers' income and strengthen the farming market infrastructure. The financial outlay which the government has approved is 6,520 crore for the scheme under the 15th Finance Commission cycle. Now the 1601 projects have been approved and sanctioned, and various projects of under the various components of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. 1133 projects are already operational and some of them have been completed, which is creating a processing and preservation capacity of 255.66 lakh MT per year. The investment, when we talk about the investment potential under this scheme, so once the scheme is fully implemented, these projects are expected to attract the investment worth of rupees 21,803.19 crore. The farmers are directly getting benefit, and it is being expected to benefit about 50.27 lakh farmers directly or indirectly, which is directly creating employment also. Over 7.25 lakh man days of direct and indirect employment is being created. Now when we talk about the achievements under the components of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, so the very first achievement is the project is have been approved. The second is project is being operational and it has completed 1133 projects. The processing and preservation capacity is 255.66 lakh MT per year. It has also leveraged the private investment of 21,803.19 crore. Employment has been generated, as I told you, it has created 7.25 lakh employment, and 50.27 lakh farmers are directly or indirectly getting benefit under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. Next, when we talk about the funding, how the government boosts the funding under the scheme, so the total outlay which is being approved by the government is 6,520 crore, where the additional allocation has been also provided of 1,920 crore, and it is being provided on the 15th finance cycle. The objective under providing these financial stability from the government is to strengthen the agro processing use and reduce the wastage and boost or double the farmers' income. Now let's discuss about how this Yojana, how this scheme has been launched and expanded among the farmers. When we talk about the origin, basically Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana was called as Sampada scheme for agro-marine processing and development for agro-processing clusters, which was being approved on May 2017. And this Sampada Yojana was being renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana on 23 August 2017. The initial period designed for 2016-20 was aligned with the 14th Finance Commission cycle, and the initial allocation was 6,000 crore to attract 31,400 crore total investment, and as comparing from the initial outlay, the current outlay under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is 6,520 crore, which is being approved for the financial year 2021-22 to the financial year 2025-26, which is 15 Finance Commission cycle, including 1,920 crore additional funds. And the breakup of the funds are like this: 1,000 crore for 50 multi-product food irradiation units, and 920 crore for various ongoing Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada different components of it. And it is basically focusing on the difficult regions of the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe regions also. When we talk about the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, so it is creating a modern infrastructure among the farmers for the food processing systems. Secondly, it is creating an effective backward and forward linkages, farming linkages and processing on the markets. And it is also creating a supply chain infrastructure for the perishable scheme which is being implemented under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. So there are different schemes under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. The very first is integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure. The second is creation and expansion of food processing and preservation capacities. Third one is infrastructure for agro processing clusters. Fourth is food safety and quality assurance infrastructure, and last is human resources and institutions. These are the schemes under the Kisan Sampada Yojana. Now, let's discuss about Operation Greens. It was in your question also. So, it is an additional scheme called Operation Green, which was added under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana on November 2018 with a total budget of 500 crore, and initially it focused to stabilize the prices of tomato, onion and potato. by offering them a financial help of storage and transport. Now, in the financial year 2020-21, under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, this support was being extended to all the notified fruits and vegetables, and later on the scope of Operation Greens was further expanded to include 22 perishable products, and these I'm giving you the breakdown of these 22 perishable products, which is including 10 fruits, 11 vegetables and 1 marine product, which impacted in better storage system and reduced the wastage of vegetables and fruits, and it doubled the farmers' income also. That was all about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. I hope you must have understood about this. Go through the questions and the options very carefully and then comment down your answers. Subscribe our YouTube channel, join us on Telegram and follow us on Instagram. That's all for today. Thank you so much.